So we were out using our rooftop tent this weekend. It's on top of this roof rack. Thought something was a little off when we went to remove the rooftop tent when we got home. Found that this roof rack mount is busted. You can see that it's cracked in there. It just uses this extruded aluminum track crossbar, but then this plastic roof rail that unfortunately is leveraged out quite a ways. It's got a bit of mechanical advantage when you put weight on this, unfortunately. And we're definitely exceeding the weight limit for this with the rooftop tent. So I'm working on trying to repair it. My plan is I've drilled several holes through here. I have this steel rod here. And I think what I'm gonna do is insert this rod through here in several lengths, and I'll get them all in there and mate it up as closely as I can with the bottom here, and then I'm going to weld them together, kind of tack them in there, and they're going to extend out here, and then I'm going to wrap them, I think all of them around this side, and then they'll go back in like that. I think that's going to be the plan. What I'm hoping will happen is when pressure is put on the top of this, it will be transferred into that steel here, so the pressure will be pushing this way, pushing up on there, which will then kind of do a seesaw effect and be pushing down where it's needed over here, and hopefully provide enough support for this guy. I have my first piece inserted in here, and already it's starting to stiffen up this plastic a little bit. So here's what I have going on. That piece going in like that. This piece ending up kind of at the bottom of the extrusion. So as the metal pushes down on here, it's pushing down right there. Alright, so I have my first two pieces in here. They kind of go around here, and I'm going to push them up like that, and I think I'm going to try to just tack weld them in place in here. And so these guys are going to sit like this, and there'll be two more that come and meet right here in the middle, and I'll tack them all together. Alright, so I put a few tack welds in there on that part. Also tacked these together out here. I have the other piece I have one piece for the other side bent up, and so I am getting ready to cut it to length. Alright, well, we've got some ugly welds in there coming around here, and I'm going to see if this slides into the extruded aluminum crossbar. Okay, just got it back in there. Had to give it a little bit of a tap with a block of wood, but looks pretty good. I don't see any flex in it.